In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a team or organizing your personal content creation process, having a well-planned content calendar is essential for maintaining consistency and productivity. Let's dive into our first step. To begin, you'll need to set up a new project in Asana. Start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're there, look for the Create button or find the option to select New Project. At this point, you have the choice between creating a blank project or using a content calendar template if one is readily available in your Asana account. Templates can be a great starting point because they often come with pre-defined sections, saving you a bit of time. After selecting the project type, it's time to name your project. A straightforward choice like content calendar works well. Additionally, don't forget to adjust your privacy settings according to your needs. Decide whether this project is going to be visible to your entire team or if it's better suited as a private workspace for now. Next, it's important to choose a project view that best fits how you visualize your workload. Asana offers a few options here. The list view excels when dealing with detailed content tasks, providing a clear, itemized way to organize everything you need to get done. Meanwhile, the board view is fantastic if you prefer to see your content progress through various stages like ideas, in progress, scheduled, and published. If deadlines and an overall timeline are what you need to track closely, then the calendar view could be your best friend, offering an at-a-glance look at all your deadlines and timelines. Now that your view is set, it's time for step 3, creating sections or columns within your project. If you opted for the board view, think about setting up columns for different content stages. Typical columns might include ideas, in progress, review, scheduled, and published. If you're in list view, consider sections based on months or content types such as blog posts, social media, videos, and podcasts. This organization helps ensure that no content type is forgotten in the assembly line. Once your sections or columns are in place, you can move on to step 4, adding tasks for your content pieces. Use the Add Task button to start inputting these items. For instance, you might create a task titled Instagram Reel Product Demo. From here, navigate through the options to set appropriate due dates and assign these tasks to your team members who will handle them. Dive into the task details, where you can add descriptions, links, attachments, and any other relevant information that might help the assignee understand what needs to be accomplished. Finally, enhance your calendar by using custom fields and tags to add more depth to your organization. Custom fields let you introduce elements like content type, status, platform, or priority, allowing greater customization. Tags, on the other hand, can be a lightweight way to categorize content with identifiers such as #video, #Instagram, or #blog. By following these steps, your content calendar in Asana should be well on its way to helping you streamline and optimize your content planning. Happy organizing!